are you?
Papa?
Anna, I always wanted to protect you, both of you.
You did.
Someone must warn Heinrich Steinmetz in Kolno. And you need to run. Be safe.
Why did the Colonel call you Professor? And what did you...
Anna, we have to go. It's not safe here. All right, split up the troops. They mustn't catch us all at once. Operation Hope continues. The Polanian resistance won't let anyone down. Never!
Was Papa Professor Dybowski?
Always was. Your father and Heinrich Steinmetz worked for Tesla back in the day when he invented the auto machines. I don't know what Zuboff wants from them. We found out that son of a bitch was looking for them, so I sent some men. Obviously, we came too late.
Why did nobody tell me?
Didn't want anyone to know. They were engineers at the factory before you were born. They ran away to start a new life, until the war found them.
I need to talk to this Heinrich in Kolno. He must know something.
That's where we headed as well. Rusviet troops set up a blockade around the city, and we're going to pay them a visit. If you don't want to run, you can join us. You're a good shot.
As soon as I've buried Papa.
All right, but don't take too long. War does not wait.
Why are we looking at railways instead of going to Kolno?
Breaking the blockade is only half the plan. We want to help the citizens too. Bring them supplies. Here, what do you see?
Rusviet soldiers, some of them on patrol. A freight train, oil pumps, iron mines.
That train supplies the Rusviet troops surrounding Kolno, usually. This time we will take it and bring our fellow Polanians what they need most. Hope.
We break into a Rusviet base and steal their train?
The stuff of legends. All right, this is going to be a tough one. The train depot is heavily guarded. We need to train an army. I want a base right here, and I want resources. Lots of them. Let's get to it.
New primary objective received.
What's the plan then? Let's get to work.
What is it? That'll help.
You name it, we'll build it. No point in leaving
How
them for
can
the
I help?
enemy.
This will be useful.
Go on then. Take me to the fight.
I see a bunch of them.
Uh-huh. The more, the better.
Building
More
finished.
sandbags to fill? We'll put these to good use.
Uh-huh. If we don't take it...
So, Uncle Lech is your real uncle?
Yeah, but I hardly saw him or my brother during the war.
I knew Yannick. He was a good man.
We can build that.
That'll help.
Look sharp now.
How can I help?
Enemy!
This
and
will
they're
be
not
useful.
alone. We can build more with this iron. What's the plan then?
Building finished.
I'm under attack! Kinda busy! On it!
New recruits. Assembling
You have
grenadiers.
orders? Couldn't have run further if we wanted.
No such thing as too many defenses.
You asked
Stay
for
low!
grenades. Now give
Bucket
us something
here!
to throw them
Be
at.
there soon.
Ready for action. Moving out.
More volunteers.
Yeah? Don't mind.
We
if
see
you do.
them! At least one!
I'm listening. And that feels better.
You name it, we'll build it.
Yes?
These bunkers sure look useful.
Right. If we man them, we can cover the flanks.
We'll be there in no
Bunker
time.
ready.
Orders?
No sitting around.
More sandbags to fill? Ready for action. Moving to cover. We'll put it to use.
This bump is needed.
What is it? The more, the better. Multiple enemies here!
It's a beautiful
Something
country,
done?
really. A pity what the war has done to it.
Enemy spotted.
It won't build itself.
New orders for us? Sounds good. Got it.
What can we
More
do?
volunteers. Arming Polanian. Ready to defend.
More sandbags to fill? Ready. Right away. Enemy units spotted. On the way.
Gunners reporting. Give us something to shoot.
Just give us a target.
Building objective complete.
What is it? Leading the way! That will give us cover.
What's
Heads
the
up!
plan then?
Enemy here.
Now that's what I call a base.
Great work. Now we can build an army and retake the train depot.
That's the plan, but we need more resources.
Then we should conquer more of those iron mines and oil pumps.
New primary
We'll
objective
build it.
received. New recruits. We're taking fire!
Go on then.
We see an enemy.
Time to get moving.
We're ready!
Someone over there.
Contact!
So this is where the scam comes crawling from to attack us. Let's raise their barracks and workshop to the ground.
I have contact. Pleasure passers here.
Preparing to engage!
Did something break? Taking fire for battle.
A hero has gained a rank.
Dead soldiers can't fight. Sometimes a tactical retreat is necessary, I suppose.
Taking fire!
Falling back!
Mobile armor ready for orders. My guns are ready. Let's keep moving.
Enemy unit spotted.
All right, let's get back to full strength.
Taking all recruits.
No sitting around. Ready to build armor.
How can I serve Polanian? Strażnik moving. Hostile
Something
spotted.
done? Engineers do it
Yes.
better.
Keep taking hits. Don't let up.
Standing by. Moving.
Am I needed?
You have a target?
Under fire!
What's next?
Heads up! Enemy here!
How I'd like to see Colonel Supov's face when we roll into Kolno.
Yes, sir.
Taking hits.
You name it, we'll build it. It's not too far. More sandbags to fill?
A unit has become veteran.
Yes. Other taking fire here.
You're finished.
We'll have it fixed in no time. You have orders? It'll be good as
Yes?
new.
Fine. Enemy spotted!
What is it?
Fall in.
Workshop reporting. Repairs are finished. More volunteers? Readying Śmiały Walker.
More sandbags to fill? We're sure to need
My
it.
guns are ready. Best to not sit around.
That ought to do the trick.
Go on then.
More iron for
The
Polanian!
time has come.
All ready to find some trouble. I have contact.
See you there.
Ready to build armor.
What's the plan then? Gladly.
Orders. On the way.
Enemy! Is that all you can?
Standing in the open.
Need something done? Right, moving to cover.
Offensive fire!
Moving. Engineers under fire. This way.
Moving to covered position. No point in leaving them for the enemy.
Strażnik under fire! Out with it! Crush them!
Over there! How many?
I have contact!
Orders? Got it.
Multiple enemy
Got
contacts!
them!
Enemies!
Moving to cover.
Like a lot of them!
We're taking fire. Make it quick.
Need something done? We'll have it fixed in no time.
What is it? For our people!
A unit has become veteran.
Engaging!
What's the plan? Get back.
A unit has become veteran.
Repairs are finished. You have orders? We're on it.
Strażnik, ready to move. Let's keep moving.
Have you been in my uncle's army for long?
Aye. 3 years. Best commander I've served under. And of course the only one who has the balls to do something about the Rusviet occupation.
For instructions.
More sandbags to fill?
The mine.
Make it easy as them in. Well, leave them standing. Come on then.
One of our veteran units is now elite.
Cover.
Right incoming.
We've got company.
Remember the fallen.
Taking hits.
A hero has gained a rank.
Headed that way.
Take courage, boy.
You want some more?
For the Republic!
Taking fire here. Repositioning. Getting to cover.
It's not too far. It's as good as spotters.
I'm receiving fire!
We'll be there in no time. Let's go for a stroll.
Orders! Remember the fallen!
Under fire! Evade!
Ready!
Hostile spot!
Taking fire here!
Go on then! The time has come!
I'm listening.
New orders for us? Sounds good.
Need something done? It'll be good as new.
Ready for action. We're receiving
something
replacements.
Strażnik preparing for battle.
Assembling grenadiers.
How can I serve Polania?
Ready. Moving out. Kill them fast!
Engine
Engaging enemy!
Enemy unit
Guns
spotted.
ready.
no time.
We're taking fire!
Bags to fill?
Hold on, brothers!
Strażnik ready to fight. You don't do the trick.
Strażnik, ready to move! Strażnik
We're
moving!
ready! About time! Make it quick! Engaging target!
Be quick about it!
Multiple enemies spotted.
Am I? I'll beat them back!
Contact!
About time! Right away!
One of our veteran units is now elite.
Taking cover!
My guns are ready! Let's keep moving!
You name
Multiple
it, we'll
enemies
build it.
spotted.
Ready for action! Got an armor problem?
One base down!
You don't mess with Uncle Lech and live to tell the tale!
We are listening. Understood.
Am I needed?
More sandbags to fill? We're on it.
Strażnik, ready to move! Let's keep moving!
Ready. Moving out.
Look, an enemy!
Understood.
Need something done? Headed that way.
Fall in!
Multiple enemy contacts! Workshop reporting.
Contact! Enemy nearby. We're ready! Right away! We'll handle them! Take cover! Over there! How many? Find
This
cover!
pump is ready to serve Polania.
Taking fire! Hurry! We
More
see them!
sandbags
At
to
least
fill?
one!
We are listening. On the move.
Multiple enemies spotted.
You name it, we'll build it. Gladly. It's not too far.
Enemy unit spotted.
Enemies! Looks like a lot of them.
More volunteers? Arming Polanian.
The enemy is targeting
our defense.
Strażnik preparing for battle.
How can I serve Polania? Don't let up! Strażnik, ready to move!
Bunker contact!
Gunners report. Give us something to shoot.
Now let's finish them!
Over armor! Orders!
Moving!
We're sure to need it.
The enemy is targeting our defenses.
Got that! Engaging!
Target? Moving.
Enemies in range! Taking hits!
Got it!
Defensive structure lost. Heads up! Enemy here!
Target acquired!
Taking fire!
One! Little Lily here! I know what! Crush them!
Speed it up! Just run! A unit has become veteran.
Just try and stop me.
New orders for us? We'll do it.
Am I needed?
How can I serve Polania?
Send more.
You have a target?
We've got company!
The team is back up.
What is it? Take me to the fight. For our people.
us!
What's the plan then?
What's next? I'll get
Enemies!
there.
Looks like
It's
a lot
time
of
to
them.
end this.
We are listening.
I have contact.
And improve position.
You have a mission?
Watch out! Someone over there!
They didn't stand a chance. Krasnik, ready to move.
Need something done?
Is that all you got?
Secondary objective complete.
Headed that way.
Stay from well.
We're under fire!
The hero has gained a rank.
Abandon us!
How can I serve Polania? Let's keep moving. Eyes on the enemy. This will get their attention. Taking hits.
by.
Multiple enemies here.
Get there quick.
Gunners ready!
Does my uncle come up with these ideas more often?
You mean plans that either make us heroes or get us killed? All the time.
It's not too far. It'll be good as...
Krasnik, ready to move.
You're the best voice.
Guns ready! Acknowledged!
New recruits? Calling in engineers.
What? Little Lily here.
Don't let up.
Gunners ready! Target acquired!
What's the plan then? We're on it.
Polania's finest,
My guns
standing
are
by
ready.
and ready to
Krasnik
deal.
moving.
Have orders? We'll have it fixed in no time.
Yeah?
Enemies! A bunch of them!
How can I serve Polania? Best to not sit around. Strasznik moving. Got that. Engaging.
As are finished.
Krasnik, under fire. I'm ready to go. No problem.
More oil for the Republic! I'm receiving fire!
Engaging!
Ready for action. Let them have it.
What's the plan then? Let's go for a stroll.
Krasnik, under fire.
Guns ready! On the way! Gunners ready! Alright!
More sandbags to fill? Engineers, ready to redeploy. No such thing as too many defenses.
Yes?
Keep moving. Get clear. Let's keep moving.
Need something done? It'll be good as new.
I knew it would
We
turn out
see an enemy.
Am I needed? Just try and stop me.
New defenses are ready.
What's the plan? No point in leaving them for the enemy.
Enemy spotted!
A unit has become veteran.
That ought to do the trick. You have orders?
New orders for us?
The bomb is secure.
What is it? Time to get moving.
Ready to move.
A single enemy. Pathetic.
Strasznik moving.
You have a mission? See you there!
How can I serve Polania? Target identified. Engaging.
Enemy group spotted.
The boys seem in good
My
spirits.
guns are ready.
As good as can be expected.
Speed it up! No more attacks from here. We can concentrate on the train depot now.
Do not sit around! Hostile spotted!
Is that all you got?
How can I serve Polanian? Let's keep moving!
Taking hits!
What is it? Let's go.
We are tired but alive. Just give us. We've lost the mech.
Under fire! Evade! Evade!
You name it, we'll have it fixed
Guns
in no
ready.
time.
I've got multiple contacts here!
Protection helps.
Enemies in range!
Enemy under attack! Not alone. Go on then.
Multiple enemies incoming!
Fight! Be quick about it!
Get clear!
Repairs are ready. Receiving fire!
Keep moving!
Take courage, boys!
One of our veteran units is now
I'm
elite.
listening. Right.
I'm taking hits!
The target? Understood.
Now let's finish them! Move it! It'll be good as...
My guns are ready!
Now we are under attack!
How did you know about the train?
The Polanian government cooperates with the Rusviets and Saxonians. Fortunately, some within the government are still patriots. The rest will pay for their betrayal.
That ought to do the trick.
Build it well. Polanian
We are
lives depend
listening.
on it.
Acknowledged.
More sandbags to fill? We'll have it fixed in no time.
What is it? Time to get moving. I have contact!
Yes! Understood. Got it!
Repairs are finished. Workshop reporting. Strażnik preparing for battle.
Go on then. Is that all you got?
New defenses are ready.
Blockade.
Secondary objective complete.
Yeah? Leading the
Ready to
way.
chew up Polanian's enemies. I have contact!
Cannon.
Now what? Make way! Crush them!
Now.
Out of the way! The resistance is dead if I fall here!
Anti-mech orders. Get into battery. Let's finish them.
We've got company.
Well, poor Polania!
They're finished!
Out of the way!
You name it, we'll build it. It'll be good as new.
Put them in the dirt!
Strażnik, ready to move! Best to not sit around!
Standing by. Waste not, one not.
Tell me!
A hero has gained a rank.
Yeah?
How can I serve Polania?
I'm ready to go!
Gunners ready. Securing supplies. Area clear.
You're the best, Wojtek.
Shut them down!
That ought to do the trick.
Who's a good bear?
What is it? Just try and stop me.
Cannon ready for orders.
Am I needed? Take me to the fight.
Anti-armor standing by.
A hero has gained a rank.
Fire!
What is it? I'll bring them back. Leave them standing!
Ready for a target. Preparing to fire.
Go on then. Come on then.
What's the plan then? We'll have it fixed in no time.
One enemy spotted.
My guns!
One of our veteran units is now elite.
Cannon crew under fire!
One of our veteran units is now elite.
This way!
Got it?
Out with it. Out of the way.
A weapon.
Go!
What is it? Time to get moving.
Something done?
Go on then.
Stражник, ready to move.
Ready. Right away.
What is it? Get back to safety!
You name it, we'll build it. Headed that way.
Ready to build volunteers.
War is
How
so
can I
much
serve
worse than
Polania?
ever.
Let's keep moving.
What you need? I'll check it out.
Just give us a target.
Repairs are finished.
Taking an improved
What
position.
is it? Just try and stop me.
Riflemen regrouping.
Stражник, ready to move. Stражник, moving. Target identified. Engaging. Don't let up.
Enemy.
Stражnik, ready to move. Let's keep moving. Stражник, moving.
Ready for action. It beats standing in the open. More sandbags to fill? Standing by. Engaging enemy!
Suppressive fire!
Catch this!
Look at an enemy!
Taking fire!
That's close enough.
For our brothers! Taking fire!
Hold on, brothers!
Come on, some more.
Kill them fast! Need something done?
Our guns are ready. Best to not sit around. Keep moving.
We see an enemy!
Taking hits. Stражник, ready to move. Let's keep moving.
Area clear. Checking ammo.
Stражник, moving.
Orders? Right away!
Gunners ready! Good spot. Uh-huh. Follow us. Rifle squad reinforced. Sounds good.
Go on then. Take me to the fight. I'm ready to go. No problem.
How can I serve Polania?
Bunch of bastards here.
What you need? On my way.
This one, right there.
You have orders?
Inside all you can.
Let's go for a stroll.
Just give us a target. Understood.
What's the plan then? It'll be
My
good as...
guns are ready. Best to not sit around.
We're done
They
here.
don't do the trick.
What is it? Time to get moving.
More iron for Poland.
What you need?
You have orders? Engineers, doing something done?
Stражник, ready to move.
You have orders? We're sure to need it.
Let's keep moving. Enemies in
You
range.
have a mission? See you later, brothers!
My guns are ready. Hostiles, please.
This oil is ours.
They're finished here.
Suppressive fire!
Guns ready. Taking an improved position.
I'm still in one piece.
Engaging hostiles! I have contact!
Got that. Engaging.
Brothers!
Eyes
One
on
of
the
our
enemy.
veteran units is now elite.
Suppressive fire!
Technique moving! That's close!
Go on then! Take me to the fight! The time has come! Hold on, brothers!
Just give us a target.
Might as well spit at them! Wants to be a fight? What? For Polania! Is that all you got? I'm going to go, a bunch of ragdolls!
Enemy!
Well, for our people!
How can I serve Polania? Let's keep moving!
Guns ready. A little protection helps.
Uh-huh. Right. Stay in cover!
Ready for action! On the way!
New orders for us? Let's go.
Am I needed? I'll beat them back.
Tell me! Sure thing.
Primary objective complete.
There it is. Our own beautiful train. Klepacki, how long to load up and get everything ready?
A couple of minutes, sir.
Listen up, boys! This station is vital to Rusviet operations. So expect the enemy to attack with everything they've got. We need to hold out until the train is ready to leave. Then we get the hell out of here. I want a second base right here, and I want fortifications. Go, go, go!
Yes, sir.
Hey, kid. You did well. You're the best shot I've seen since Yannick. He will be proud.
Yeah, maybe. Let's get the train to Kolno.
That's the spirit. Come on! We should have had those defenses up yesterday!
New primary objective received.
Need something done? Headed that way. Make it strong, like the sons of Polania.
You have a mission?
My guns are ready! Best to not sit around!
Go on then. Time to get moving.
How can I serve Polania?
What's the plan then? Build it well. Polanian lives depend on it. More sandbags to fill.
New defenses
We'll be there
are
in no
ready.
time.
We are listening. On the move. All right. Just give us a target.
Eyes open!
Need something done?
We can't build that there.
Don't forget, it's here. What's the plan then? Got it. Moving.
New defenses are ready.
No such thing as too many defenses.
Yes? Leading the way. Get that heavy MG operational.
Standing by. Moving to cover. Moving out. It beats standing in the open. We're receiving replacements.
You have a target? Understood.
Grenadiers ready.
Heavy machine
Taking
gun here to
ultimate gun.
fight.
Ready the MG. Guns ready. Taking an improved position. We are listening. On the
New
way.
defenses are ready.
Taking
Cannon
the
ready to
bunker.
slay Polania's enemies.
Just give us a target. To the bunker.
My guns are ready!
Multiple enemies spotted.
Let's keep moving!
Look sharp now.
The enemy is capturing our
made it.
pump.
We'll
Enemy
build it.
unit spotted.
We can build that.
Fall in.
We are listening. Taking the bunker.
The enemy is taking our mine.
Armor standing by.
Our oil pump is lost.
Make ready to fire!
Need
The
something
enemy
done?
is taking our mine.
Take your time, boys. You name it, we'll build it.
Our mine is lost.
Forget it's here.
Enemy unit spotted. Enemy unit spotted. Building finished. Our mine is lost. Multiple enemies spotted. Enemy unit spotted.
We've got their attention now!
Orders! Repositioning! We need cover! Move it!
The enemy is taking
Put
our
these to
mine.
good use. Need something done?
Anything I can do?
Don't try.
Our mine is
You have
lost.
orders?
Multiple enemies spotted.
Let's go for a stroll.
How can I help?
More sandbags to fill? We'll have it fixed in no time.
The enemy is targeting our defenses. Enemy unit spotted.
Need something done?
Multiple enemies spotted. Multiple enemies spotted.
What is
Repairs
it?
are finished.
Enemy unit
Enemy.
spotted.
And they're
Multiple
not alone.
enemies
Who's a
spotted.
good bear?
A unit has become veteran. Enemy unit spotted.
Around. Assembling grenadiers.
Our barracks is under attack.
Ready!
Enemy unit spotted.
Headed that way.
Get back!
The enemy is targeting our defenses.
We've got their attention
The
now.
enemy is targeting our defenses.
Ask for grenades. Now give us
A unit has become veteran.
I'm receiving fire! What? Little bit here! Evade! Evade! Be quick about it!
Smoke them!
Keep moving! Clearly under fire!
Have orders? It'll be good as new.
You're the best, Wojtek.
Now let's finish them! Yes? Let's go!
Enemy unit
Moving to
spotted.
cover.
Yes? Get clear!
More sandbag, we'll have it fixed in no time.
Enemy unit.
How can I save Polanian? Best to not sit around!
Need something done? Taking on more men.
Taking cover!
The enemy
You name
is
it,
capturing
we'll build
our
it.
pump.
It'll be good as new.
My guns are ready!
What's the plan? That
Multiple
we'll have it
enemies
fixed in no
spotted.
time.
Go on then, take me to the fight!
Enemy unit
Repairs are
spotted.
finished.
Multiple enemies
More
spotted.
sandbags
The
to
enemy
fill.
is taking our mine.
Need
Our
something
oil
done?
pump is lost.
Are we expecting a lot of them?
Multiple enemies spotted. Enemy unit spotted.
Repositioning!
Suppressive fire!
This way!
The enemy is targeting our defenses.
Bags to fill.
I'm receiving fire! Stratnik, ready to move!
Plan then, headed that way. Moving to cover position.
What's next?
Enemy unit spotted.
Energy taking fire!
Multiple enemies spotted.
You have orders? It's not bags to fill. Prepping MG.
We're taking fire!
Easy target!
Am I needed?
Take care of the wounded and stay alert! That was just the beginning.
You name it, we'll build it. It'll be good.
Enemy unit spotted.
More volunteers? Gathering cannon.
We are here. Don't waste our time.
Taking fire!
Our HQ is under attack.
Go on then!
Put some fire on there!
Our barracks is under attack. Anti-Max is
Only a couple more minutes, sir.
How can I serve Polania? Let's keep moving. Stражник, ready to move.
Need something done?
Our HQ is under attack. Gunners here ready to close. The unit has become veteran.
We're receiving repairs.
Under fire!
Get into battery! Waiting for orders.
Our barracks is under attack. One of our veteran units is now alive.
I'm receiving fire!
Guns ready. Acknowledged.
More sandbags to fill?
Our
It will
HQ
be good
is
as-
under attack.
My guns are ready.
You name it, we'll build it.
Our HQ
that
has
way.
been destroyed.
Ready. Yeah, we're moving.
Our barracks is under attack. A unit has become veteran.
You have orders?
Our
We'll have it
barracks
fixed
has
in
been
no time.
destroyed. Multiple enemies spotted. Enemy unit spotted. Our workshop is
Stражник,
being
ready to
targeted.
move.
Enemy unit spotted. The enemy
Repairs
is
are
taking
finished.
our mine. Enemy unit spotted. Enemy
My
unit
guns are ready.
spotted.
Keep firing! Evade! Evade! What? Little busy here!
Enemy unit
Something
spotted.
done?
The enemy is targeting our defenses. Enemy unit spotted. Multiple enemies spotted. Contact! Workshop is being targeted.
Contact!
The enemy is targeting our defenses.
You name it, we'll build it. Right, moving to cover.
Enemy unit spotted. We've lost the squad.
Reserve gun.
The enemy is targeting our defenses. The enemy is targeting our defenses. Our workshop is being targeted.
Let be a warning to the rest.
Our workshop has been destroyed.
Keep moving. Taking hits.
Am I needed?
The enemy is targeting our defenses.
Defend yourselves.
Assembling grenadiers. Defensive structure lost.
You have orders? It's as good a spot as any. It'll be good as new.
We are listening.
Just get us in throwing distance.
I'm receiving
More
fire!
sandbags to fill?
Orders? Moving! Machine gun!
What?
Sounds good.
The enemy is targeting our defenses.
This will get
Defensive
the
structure lost.
sitting around. Equipping rifles.
Multiple enemies spotted.
Taking machine guns.
You have orders?
Enemy unit spotted.
Let's go for a stroll.
What is it? Take me to the fight.
To do. We're your man. Better to wait from
Rifleman here to defend the Republic.
Need something done? We'll have it fixed in no time.
My guns are ready. Stражник moving.
More sandbags to fill? Headed
Multiple
that way.
enemies spotted.
Enemy, right there!
Stражник, ready to move.
Enemy unit spotted.
Gunners taking fire!
We'll handle them.
That ought to be the trick.
The team is back up.
My guns are ready.
Taking fire!
What's the plan, Ben? You have our attack. It'll be good as new.
Multiple enemies spotted.
To hell with this.
The enemy is taking our mine. Enemy unit
Orders?
spotted.
Right, moving to cover.
Getting started with
A unit has become veteran. A unit has become veteran. Primary objective complete.
Guns,
Multiple enemies spotted.